Welcome back to the English Essences podcast.
Join us and learn English fast.
Before we start, Alex, let me ask you something very soft, very real. Have you ever wanted to speak, but your voice stayed inside your chest? Like the words were there, but fear was louder?
Yeah, oh, many times. My heart go fast. My mouth feel dry. I think my English is broken. And then I stop.
Yeah, I hear you. A soft smile. And if you are listening now, maybe your heart is doing the same small thing. That little tight feeling. You want to speak, but you are scared.
Yeah, I feel that now too. Even talking with you, Emma. I worry I sound silly.
Oh, thank you for saying that. Warm smile. And I want you, dear listener, to hear this first, very slowly, very clearly. Broken English is not a broken person. It is a brave person trying.
Broken English, not broken person. That feel nice.
Yeah. Let me softly explain one word now for you listening. The word is brave. Brave means you do something even when you feel scared, like speaking English with fear in your chest. That is brave.
So, when I talk, even wrong, I am brave.
Yes, exactly. Soft smile. And you, listening, if you try one word today, you are brave too.
That make me feel little taller.
Good. Now, dear listener, let me show you a very simple sentence. You can say it softly, even inside your heart. I am trying. You can also say, I try my best, or I am learning.
I am trying. I like this one.
Me too. Alex, can you tell me, when did you feel shy to speak English last time?
Yesterday, at cafe, I want coffee. I want say less sugar, but words not come. I feel small.
Ooh, yeah. Cafes can feel big and loud. You felt small. Let me explain this word shy. Shy means you want to speak, but your body says hide. Your face get warm. Your eyes look down.
Yes, exactly like that. My face was hot.
Thank you for sharing. And listener, maybe you felt shy too. On phone, at work, on street. You are not alone.
But Emma, my English really is broken. Grammar, words, all messy.
I hear that. Let me say it slowly. People do not feel your grammar. People feel your heart.
People feel heart, not grammar.
Yes. Soft smile. And listener, listen to this simple sentence now. I feel nervous. You can also say, I feel shy, or I feel scared.
I feel nervous when I talk.
You feel nervous when you talk. Yeah, that sounds very human.
But what if people laugh?
That fear is heavy. Let me explain the word fear. Fear is that cold feeling in your stomach. It says something bad may happen, but fear is not always true.
So, fear is like story in my head.
Yes, a story, and you can change the story slowly.
How?
Soft smile. By small steps, very small. By saying one sentence. By breathing. By letting your voice shake.
My voice shake a lot.
Gentle laugh. That is okay. Listener, listen to this simple sentence now. It's okay to be slow. You can say, I speak slowly, or I need time.
I need time. That feels safe.
Yes, it gives you space. Alex, do you know what confidence is?
Confidence is like strong feeling, not scared.
Many people think that, but let me explain confidence in a gentle way. Confidence means you accept yourself, even when your voice shakes, even when words are wrong.
Accept myself.
Yes. Listener, this is important. Confidence is not loud. Confidence is calm.
Calm. I like calm.
Me too. Now a small sentence for you. I am okay like this. You can also say, I am enough, or this is me.
I am okay like this. That feels emotional.
Take your time. Alex, can I tell you a small truth?
Yes, please.
Gentle smile. Many people who sound confident are still scared inside. They just keep speaking softly, kindly, again and again.
So confidence grow with time.
Yes, let me explain grow. Grow means something becomes bigger slowly, like a plant, like trust, like confidence.
My confidence is very small plant now.
Smiling. And that is perfect. You water it with practice. You give it light with kindness.
Kindness to myself?
Exactly. Listener, say this sentence gently. I will be kind to myself. Or, I can be gentle. Or, I do not rush.
I do not rush. Slow breath.
Good. Alex, what do you say in your head when you make mistake?
I say, you are bad. Your English is terrible.
That is heavy talk. Let me explain the word mistake. Mistake means something not perfect, but mistake also means learning is happening.
Learning is happening.
Yes. Listener, hear this simple sentence. Mistakes are okay. You can also say, I can try again, or it's not the end.
Not the end. Quiet laugh.
Yes. Alex, when you speak broken English, what do you want people to feel?
I want them feel I am friendly. I try. I respect.
And they do. Even if words are broken, your feeling is clear.
That makes me less scared.
Good. Let me explain respect. Respect means you care about others. You listen, you try, you are polite.
I do respect people.
Yes, and that comes through your voice. Listener, a small sentence now. I am just trying to talk. Or, please be patient. Or, thank you for listening.
Thank you for listening. I like this one.
Me too. Alex, if you could tell your past self one thing about English, what would it be?
I would say, do not be so hard. Just speak.
Soft smile. That is very wise. Let me explain hard here. Hard means you push yourself with pain, but learning needs soft, not hard.
Soft, like this podcast.
Yes, exactly. Listener, say this sentence slowly. I speak even if it's not perfect. Or, I can try today. Or, one word is enough.
One word is enough.
Calm. Yes, and if you stop here, if you pause, that is okay. You are still learning. You are still brave.
Quiet. Emma, my chest feel lighter now.
Gentle. I'm glad. And listener, if your chest feels a little lighter too, stay with us. Breathe. You are safe here.